Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use milestones in Asana. Milestones are a fantastic way to mark key moments in your project timeline, helping your team stay focused on important deliverables and deadlines. First, navigate to your Asana workspace and open the project where you want to add milestones. Once you're in the project, look for the plus Add Task button, which you'll typically find near the top or bottom of your task list. Click on it, but instead of typing right away, click the small drop-down arrow next to plus Add Task. This reveals additional options for creating different task types. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Add Milestone. This tells Asana you're marking a significant checkpoint rather than a regular task. Now type a clear milestone name that reflects the goal you're tracking. Something like Complete Homepage Mockup works perfectly. Once you've created the milestone, click on it to open the Details pane on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll configure the milestone's important information. Start by setting a due date, click the due date field, and pick the date you need. This milestone achieved, for example, December 5th, 2025. Next, assign the milestone to a team member by clicking Assignee and selecting the appropriate person from your team. This ensures someone's accountable for hitting this checkpoint. If you want to add context or requirements, click in the Notes section and type something like Include client feedback from last review. This gives your team clarity on what needs to happen before this milestone is complete. When you're finished, simply close the Details pane to return to your project view. Here's a useful tip: you can also convert existing tasks into milestones. Click on any task in your project, let's say Finalize Color Palette. In the Details pane, click the three dots menu at the top right, select Convert to, and then choose Milestone. This instantly transforms the task into a milestone marker, which appears with a diamond icon in your project timeline. Milestones help you visualize progress at a glance and ensure your team celebrates key wins along the way. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.